In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a block on mobile in Squarespace. Update. Easy step-by-step tutorial. First, open your Squarespace website and head to the page where the content lives. Make sure you're viewing the page within your site editor, not the public site, so you can make changes right away. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit to enter editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see section outlines and toolbars appear as you move your mouse around the page. Now, hover over the area that contains the block you want to hide. When the block toolbar appears, click to highlight the block so it's selected. In this example, I'm working with the headline block that reads, "Capture timeless moments with expert photography." But you can follow the same process for any block type, like text, images, buttons, or forms. With the block highlighted, click again to open its controls. Depending on your template, you may see a small pencil, gear, or edit option. Any of these will open the block's settings or inline editor. If your first click just selects the block, a second click will open the detailed options. Once the block controls are open, look for the display or device visibility option. Squarespace shows this as a setting that allows you to control where the block appears, typically labeled Show On or Display On, with icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click the mobile option to turn it off. That tells Squarespace to keep this block visible on larger screens while hiding it on phones. Take a moment to double-check that only the mobile icon is disabled and that desktop remains enabled, so the block still shows up for desktop visitors. When you're done, click Save at the top of the editor to apply your changes. Saving will publish the update to your live site, so the change takes effect immediately. To confirm everything looks right, use the built-in preview controls to switch to a mobile view. Click the mobile preview icon and scroll to the same section of the page. The block you just updated should no longer appear on the mobile layout. If you want to compare, toggle back to desktop view and you'll see the block is still there for larger screens. That's it. You've successfully hidden a block on mobile in Squarespace using the updated interface. If you ever change your mind, go back into Edit, open the same block settings, re-enable mobile, and save. This approach is quick, reversible,